Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Oli JT Baron here. I've been a professional poker player for over 7 years now. I'm currently battling up to 1k NL, and today I'm gonna share with you 3 tips that will make you absolutely destroy low stakes poker, and I got one bonus, so you might wanna stick until the end of the video. Let's dive right into it. Tip number 1 is gonna be understand the rake. Guys, a low stakes rake is your number 1 opponent. So how do you beat it? The most popular online sites like GG's or PokerStars, the games are not actually raked pre-flop. So you want to win as many pots as possible pre-flop. So first of all, you can use bigger opening sizes. You can go 2.5x or even a 3x open between no limit 5 and no limit 50. You can go with a tighter range, of course, and you're gonna win a lot more spots pre-flop. The second thing you can do is gonna be 3-bet larger, especially from the blinds. Consider going 12 big blinds from the small blind and 13 big blinds from the big blind. Especially from the big blind, you're gonna be very polarized anyway, so you might wanna use a bigger sizing and reflect this polarization. By the way, I strongly encourage you to look at pre-flop sims to understand how it's composed, the polarized range from the big blind. Another thing you can do is actually never play flat calls from the button and the small blind. The reason is this will prevent you from playing multi-way pots that will lower your EV, and this way you can win a lot more pots pre-flop where there's no rake. Last thing you can do is going to be simplify when you're out of position and you get a 3-bet from the in-position player, and you can actually play 4 bets or fold. These spots already at high stakes are low EV spots, pretty tricky to play, so you want to actually simplify your game and win a lot more pots right from the pre-flop with a 4-bet or fold strategy. So remember guys, bigger sizings, don't flat the button, don't flat the small blind, consider playing a 4-bet or fold strategy, and avoid, of course, multi-way pots. This is going to be how you beat rake at low stakes. Let's go to the next tip. Tip number 2 is going to be overfold against the big blind 3-bets, especially when you're early position. These spots are particularly hard to construct because you're gonna have a polarized range, and most regulars are gonna be playing a lot of tables, so it's gonna be hard to find counterintuitive 3-bet as bluffs. So you wanna fold more, so punish this tendency and overfold against big blind 3-bets. And of course, if you see a specific reg that is actually constructing well this range and has a good frequencies and a good polarization of the range, of course you're gonna readapt and start playing correctly. By default, against population, this is gonna be a massive exploit and you're gonna print EV. Let's go to the next tip. By the way guys, if you're enjoying this video, please like and subscribe to the channel. This is a new channel, so it will really mean the world to me. Now back to the video. The third adjustment is gonna be bet, always bet. Low stakes, most players are not gonna be attacking your weak ranges. So how do you exploit this tendency? First of all, you're gonna be block betting thinly for value. They don't reopen enough and they don't raise you enough when you block bet thinly for value. So you want to exploit them by extracting the max value out of your medium strength hands. The second thing you can do is gonna be to always fast play your top value. There's gonna be some situations where check EV is gonna be higher than the bet EV with a nutted hand. This situation are going to be extremely rare at low stakes, so don't be afraid and value bet your hand, triple barrel your hand. I guarantee you're going to print money this way. So in conclusion, always bet. So at low stakes guys, value bet relentlessly. Don't be afraid to use block bets, and especially don't be afraid of being balanced. Nobody's gonna exploit you. You don't want to be balanced at low stakes. Now let's go to the bonus tip. The last tip of today is gonna be the one you probably don't want to hear. There's no secret sauce. You have to put in the work. All these adjustments that we discussed about in this video are gonna be useless if you don't put in the work. You need to study your pre-flop ranges, post your hands on forums, blogs, Discord chats, whatever. Find a study partner. If you can, get a coach. This is going to be crucial for your improvement. So quick recap guys, play rake aware pre-flop, overfold against big blinds 3-bet, and bet, always bet. And of course, the last one, put in a lot of work. That was Oli JT Baron. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one.